Inilunsad ng Knowledge Channel Foundation kasama ang AIA Philippines ang Gen H, ang pinakabagong video lesson para sa grade 4 to 6 sa ilalim ng AIA Healthiest Schools.
Thank you for showing that health and education must always go together. And together, we can raise a generation of children who are healthy in body, happy in heart, and ready to learn for life.
Layunin ng Gen H ang palaganapin ang kaalaman at disiplina para sa isang generation healthy na always healthy and happy. Mula sa mga silid-aralan hanggang sa tahanan at komunidad.
The second year, super excited, very special sa amin because of this new partnership with the Knowledge Channel Foundation. So, AIA Healthiest Schools po yung mga lessons from AIA Healthiest Schools, mapapanood nyo on the Knowledge Channel para makaabot sa inyo and makaabot sa marami pang schools across the Philippines.
Sabitin nga ang education ang pinakamakapangyarihang sandata na magagamit natin para baguhin ang mundo. At sa tulong ng Knowledge Channel, mas magiging masaya, masigla, at mas madali ang pagkatuto.
Sama-sama nating itaguyod ang Generation Healthy. Gen H, always healthy and happy. Reach more, teach more with Knowledge Channel Foundation.